These Pokemon anime sounds should be illegal. Especially the French sounds are insane.
Je choisis Poussifeu.
These sounds are not family friendly. Not even Misty's Goldeen is safe from the French dub.
Poissy, 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 Poissy reine. Poissy, 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 Poissy reine.
Malamar sounds like it's ascending to heaven in this episode.
Et je vous présente ces Pietros.
Sepia!
French Starmie is probably the most iconic French Pokemon of all time.
Rose, attaque, charge! Attaque, écume!
What are your favorite French Pokemon sounds? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to follow to get more Pokemon content.